guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video in English. I'm gonna stop saying that. In today's video, I prepared a makeup tutorial for this natural makeup look. I know some of you were very excited about the smoky eye tutorial that I've done last time, but I wanted to do a makeup tutorial for everyone. And I'm saying this because some people don't like to wear a lot of makeup. Some people don't like to wear smoky eyes, some people don't like to wear red lips or whatever. So I was thinking about a natural look. But when it comes to a natural makeup look, you will find a lot of opinions out there. A natural makeup look can be a no makeup look, or makeup no makeup look, whatever, or just or just a makeup look with nude shades, or just mascara, BB cream and lip gloss, or just foundation, blush, BB cream and lipstick, or whatever. This is my type of natural makeup. I know you could find the falsies a bit too much for this makeup look, but as you know, I have really short lashes and you literally cannot see them. So I just apply the falsies to enhance this makeup look. If you want to see how I've done this, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, because there I'm active every day and I post a lot of makeup tutorials, products reviews and so on and so forth. So I'm waiting for you there as well. I already applied the skincare products. When it comes to a natural makeup, guys, we don't need a full coverage foundation. We don't need 100 products on our faces. We need just the right products which can give us a natural texture, a glowy skin, a glowy look basically, and a pop of color. I'm gonna start today with the primer as usual. So for the primer, I'm gonna use stroke cream from MAC Cosmetics. You saw this product so many times in my makeup collection because I really like it. It's really soft, it's moisturizing, and it has those particles which offer luminosity, and your skin is literally very glow. So I'm gonna apply this on my face, and again, I don't have a mirror, so I don't know how am I supposed to do this makeup tutorial without a mirror. You don't need that much product, you know, but it's really nice. You can also use like liquid highlighter or another primer. If you have oily skin, I imagine you need like a silicone base primer, but the primer is really important even when it comes to natural makeup, because we are not doing a makeup no makeup, we do a natural makeup, so we need the foundation to stay in place for a few hours at least. After I apply the primer, I'm gonna apply the foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use a drugstore product today. I'm gonna use the True Match foundation from L'Oreal. I really like this foundation. It has a light to medium coverage and it has these particles, gold particles in here, so it's basically very luminous on your skin. So I'm gonna apply the foundation on my damp beauty blender. I'm gonna apply 2 pounds or something because my skin looks nice, it looks decent, but I still have some pimples on my forehead and I want them to be covered. I really like this foundation because it has a dewy finish, as you can see, and I don't need that much powder, but I'm gonna set up with powder some areas on my face. For the concealer, I'm going to use, and you saw this concealer so many times on my Instagram account and on this YouTube channel as well, is the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer from Maybelline. I don't have dark circles, but I need my under eye area to be bright, so I'm gonna use this concealer. Guys, if you need a full coverage concealer, of course you have so many options out there, but when it comes to natural makeup, I will keep it just like this with some soft coverage and some brightening products. So I'm gonna apply this on my under eye area. and on my eyelids as well. You know the thing, you know the deal with the concealer on my eyelids. And with the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend everything out. When it comes to powder, I like to use some soft powders, especially that I want to set up my under eye area. So I'm gonna use the Prism powder from Givenchy Beauty. This is my second favorite powder after Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. And as I said, I'm gonna set up my under eye area. Basically, I'm gonna set the concealer. This powder has also some particles, some silver and pink particles. So it's a brightening powder, basically. I'm done with the powder, I'm moving to the eyes, and for this natural makeup look, we can have a really long conversation about this, because for some people, natural makeup means no eyeshadow. For some people, natural makeup means soft, smoky eye. For me, natural makeup means wearing makeup but not wearing makeup, if you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do is to apply a really soft nude eyeshadow in my crease. A really soft peachy nude shadow on my under eye area. Mascara, some highlighter, because I really need to have my inner corners very shiny. I like to wear like shiny or metallic shades when it comes to natural makeup, and it's up to you guys if you are going to apply falsies. I think I'm gonna go with falsies today because they look really nice. So as I said, I'm gonna use some really nice nude shades, and I will start with the nude palette from Huda Beauty. I have it here, it's here, and I'm gonna apply on my crease. This shade right here is the shade Secret, and let's see how it looks. I'm gonna use a blending brush. Won't be anything like intense, but I need some color on my eyes. And for the lower lid, I'm gonna apply this shade right here. It's the shade Sunny Honey from the Natural Face palette from Too Faced. This shade right here. You see that it's a very nice nude shade, especially that this palette is not that pigmented. And I just wanted to tell you something, in case you don't have like nude shades, you can actually use a palette with blushes and bronzing powders, because they have so many beautiful shades and you can use them for your eyes. Especially that this palette has some highlighters as well. So moving forward, I'm gonna apply a highlighter in my inner corner and under my brow bone area. So I'm gonna use the highlighter Starlight from Natural Face from Too Faced. And I'm gonna combine the Starlight with the satin shades, because it's basically a rose gold highlighter, and it looks really nice. You'll see this. I love this shade so much. In my inner corner. And the eyes are almost done. Yes, I know, it took me literally 2 minutes to do this makeup, so I don't want to hear you guys saying that I don't have time to put some makeup on. You can put this makeup on, and I promise you that in 10 minutes you can go out and look like you have your skin really healthy, glowy and fresh. So for mascara, I'm gonna apply outrageous oversized lashes mascara from Sephora collection. As I said before, I think I'm gonna apply some falsies, so I'm not gonna put that much on my lashes. And by the way, my natural lashes are ridiculous, guys. They are very, very short. You can barely see them. And from all the things in the world, I wished I had longer eyelashes. I'm waiting for the mascara to dry, so I'm on the waterline. I'm gonna apply my favorite eye pencil ever. Is the Contour Eye Pencil 12 Hours Wear. It's the waterproof version and it's from Sephora collection. It's in the shade Coconut and it's matte. So it's a really, really good shade for the waterline because it's not white, but it's a very, very bright and nice nude. For eyelashes, I'm gonna apply Demi Wispies from Ardell Beauty. I already put the glue on, and I don't know if you can see this, guys, but I really need to admit that it's a pain in the ass to apply pulses. I'm waiting for the glue to dry, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and don't expect to see some fancy eyebrow technique because I'm not going to do that. Basically, when it comes to a natural makeup, I like to keep my brows natural. Sometimes I don't apply anything, sometimes I apply just basically a gel and I fix them. So for today, I'm gonna use the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I love this product and I recommended last time in my last video as well. It's really, really good, and I promise you guys that you will love it, especially that it's clear, it's transparent, so you can use it for multiple eyebrow shades. And they should look like this. They are full, so I really like them. Going back to mascara, I need to apply one more layer on my lashes and on my lower lashes as well. And then we will move on to the face. Okie dokie, moving on to the face. Now you will say, oh yeah, but natural makeup doesn't need a contouring. Well, it does, especially when you want to contour your face because you have some big areas. For example, I would like to contour my forehead, my jawline just a bit, and my cheeks. For contouring, I'm gonna use Cocoa Contour Palette from Too Faced. I told you about this so many times. I really like this product. I have a few contouring products, but for some reason I still use this because I really like it. So I'm gonna contour just a bit my cheeks. My forehead. And my jawline. Something like this. For blush, I'm gonna use a very, very nice nude rose. It's the Pink Sand shade from Natural Face from Too Faced. You need to see this, guys. So I'm passionate about Too Faced products, especially when it comes to my face, because they have really nice highlighters, blushes, contouring palettes, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna tap the blush on the apple of my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna apply these two highlighters from here. The ones that I applied on my inner corner, I will mix them. And you'll see that they are pretty natural. They are not that, you know, blinding. I love to wear blinding highlighters, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you need to keep it like that. Apply on my forehead as well, on my nose, just a bit, keep it both. On the lips, you can actually apply whatever you want. I'm talking about whatever nude shade you want. If you want a creamy lipstick or a liquid lipstick, or if you want just a gloss or a lip gloss, go ahead. And today I'm not, I don't know what to choose, to be honest. I have the Fenty Beauty gloss bomb in the shade Fuzzy, and L'Oreal Paris Color Reach Shine in the shade 642. Is a very nice rose nude, and it's very creamy, so in case you have your lips dry, you can actually wear these lipsticks because they are very comfortable, and they offer that plumping effect, if you know what I mean. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I definitely recommend the gloss bomb from Fenty. This is the best lip gloss I've ever tried, because it's not sticky and it lasts more than a regular lip gloss. So I'm gonna contour my lips. I'm gonna use this this Moisture Lock lip pencil, I think, lip liner, Wonder Gel lip liner. Is in the shade Rummy Pink, and it's from Beauty Pie. I think this is the perfect nude shade ever. Now I'm gonna apply the lipstick. It looks like this. It looks very creamy. It looks like you applied a regular lipstick and some lip gloss on top of it. And it's really comfortable. I really like this lipstick. I should get more shades, actually. And this is the final look. This is a natural look. I really like to wear this kind of look. I feel really comfortable wearing it. When I don't have enough time to do like a glam makeup look, I'm doing this and I'm ready in like 20 minutes. Well, when I'm not applying falsies. When I'm applying falsies, I need like 25 minutes, 30 minutes with the skincare included. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other requests about the future videos here on my YouTube channel. Take care, spread the beauty, stay safe, and see you soon.